So our team Geros dalikos, and there are only 2 team members inside it. So this is me, Alexis Satowski, and Pavel Klipko. We are JS and PS developers with 10, more than 10 years experience. We are based in Vilnius right now. So what is our idea? Actually, I want to propose to use GenAI capabilities to generate unit tests. And after that, when they are generated, why not to analyze them with the existing test runner, which should be set up in the project. The product is based on Visual Studio Code Continue extension. We decided to choose something existing and to make it better. Currently, tests will be generated only for the specified file. And after that, they are saved in a physical file, which will be opened in the Visual Studio Code IDE. And test run report will be shown also as a separate virtual file. So the problem. So today, all of you might know that unit test takes quite a lot of time during project development, usually from 20 to 30%. Potentially, this time can be decreased with AI capabilities. Another problem with unit tests that their quality can suffer because this is quite routine work for the developers who try to avoid it or postpone it or not paying enough attention. So hopefully I also can help here. And there are cases when some team can get a legacy code in their ownership without any unit tests, without technical documentation, and that means any update can lead to a prod incident. So with AI, you can generate the unit test for the whole project. Okay, it's a question of the quality, but still it's better to have this test before doing any modifications in the code and deploy it in production. And of course, our target audience is developers. So the demo, as I said, we modified continue extension of Visual Studio Code. We added a command, our custom command. Then you need to specify a file name. Oh, sorry. So you're typing a command, then adding relative path to file name to the file for which you want to get unit test. After tests are generated, they will be opened in a nearby tab. We'll see it right now. Just like that. And also there is a test run report also available here. This is what was done in the context of POC. Let's proceed. Business value. Of course, this is faster delivery of the project because we think that from the time which is needed to create unit tests will be decreased maybe by, I don't know, 20 or 30% in this case, if this tool, if AI will be actively used for that. For EPM, EPM developers now can have this line in CV that they're using AI to generate unit tests, and that means they're working faster and potentially with better quality. And the case which I just described, so when working with the maintenance of the old project, its quality of this service can be improved exactly because AI can generate unit tests if they're missing. Technical effort. So first of all, we got acquainted with Visual Studio Continue Extension SDK, and with actually Visual Studio Code, how it works, how extension is written for it. And after that, we integrated it with EPAM AI DL. Another kind of challenge was to think about how to make the usage of this upgrade of AD easier for the developer. So initially it was like, okay, maybe we can propose something for CLI, and then no, we have chosen this extension. We thought about how to minimize developer effort so he can get tests quite fast. And yeah, actually, to compose a proper prompt to generate working tests also is very important, because usually GenAI returns them in not a very good form. So we needed to think about how we can ask to return a normal test which can be launched and potentially with no modifications from developer side. What can be next steps here? Yeah, still prompt can be optimized better. And for example, we thought about why not to feed the AI with existing unit tests if they exist, and it can use it, for example, as a sample to generate imports and the rest. Also, we can update the product to generate unit tests not for the single file, but for example, for the whole folder. And finally, we can try to check the quality of the tests by launching strike computation test framework. That's all. Thank you.